Right, just a quick video today on my Silca Duo. Just do a calibration so it cuts perfectly every single time. It's recording. Right, going to try this on two different angles. Right, going to calibrate the Silca Duo so it's going to cut perfectly every single time. So if you grab two blanks, excuse my dirty fingers, exactly the same, can't be different, and we just slot them in. So as they sit flush up against the holder, might probably want to turn down your volume a bit, so I'll turn it on. Then what we're going to do, going to loosen the securing bolt after I drop the Allen key. Right, we're going to lift this up quite firmly. And I'll slowly bring it in until it starts catching. And as you can hear, I'm going click by click. Keep going. So as you can just hear, we're just getting a little nibble. Just winding the handle back, turn froze, so it's just catching. Right, we turn it off, and now we should get, I don't know if you can see that, but we've just got halfway up the key. It's just done the catch, so that's perfect. That's spot on. We tighten up the holder bolt for the tracer, and we've successfully done that one there. Just a short quick video on how to calibrate your key cutting machine. Like and subscribe.